Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we got some possible sneak peeks that have been revealed. And these could be for the August BoxyCharm base box. It could be for October. We don't know. But as soon as I confirm it, I'm going to let y'all know. So if you're excited about this video, y'all, go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button to make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on any spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing August premium BoxyCharm spoilers. Well, thank you so much, Jennifer Ingram. Jennifer says, hey. Well, hey, Jennifer, honey, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. I hope everything is just going amazing for you. And I really appreciate you having your bell on and coming and watching my video. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have one out of two chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, before we dive into this madness, I'm going to put up a 5-second timer. If you're not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do so. During that time, you'll see a little red heart. It will turn a shade of blue for about a half a second after you hit the subscribe button, so don't blink your eyes. But it's also going to give you good luck for the rest of 2020, and who don't want that? So let's go ahead and do that, guys. Well, welcome to the family. Now, was that so hard? So, guys, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now, again, these are possible future BoxyCharm spoilers. Now, I've seen a comment saying it could be for August base box, but we don't know. We won't know until it's confirmed, but we do know these products are coming. Let me go ahead and show you one of the TikToks. I got two different videos, but let me show you the first one.
I want it. I got it. I want it. I got it. I want it. I got it. I want it. I want it. Bitch, what the fuck?
Alright, guys, so you seen that, right? Alright, so you seen the Too Faced Just Peachy eyeshadow palette, the matte eyeshadow palette or whatever. Now, we know that has already been gotten. We've already got that in the past box, so that can't be a spoiler. Then you also seen the Tarte Park Avenue Princess Chisel palette. Again, another product that we've seen in the past box, so, that one's already gotten. But that last one, y'all, we have not seen yet. And we assumed this product was coming because it was shown in one of their TikToks. So I'm excited about it. It is the Urban Decay Naked Heat eyeshadow palette. Now, again, I've seen some people saying that it could be in August base box. But, y'all, I swear, this feels like a fall palette to me. I mean, it could be for October for all we know. But, of course, as soon as they confirm it, I'll let you guys know. Now, let me go ahead and show you the next TikTok.
Guys, I know this is gonna sound crazy, but what if I told you you don't have to deal with lash glue anymore? No more dealing with that sticky. You know why? I'm gonna tell you why. Glam Infused. It is a liner and a glue at the same time. I'm gonna show you how I do it. So you do your eyeliner as usual. It dries instantly, and you just get your lashes and you plop it on. Any normal person would use tweezers, but it is what it is. And that's it. It is on. It is on. It's on. And it's simple, and it's easy, and I love it. Yeah.
Now, again, guys, this was another product that we seen. I found, I think Boxy Preview on Instagram actually found this product. Joe, and the owner of Glam Infused, actually had a meeting, and he was holding his product in his hand, so I knew it was coming. This is the Glam Infused Adhesive Liquid Liner, and now they're showing it in their TikTok, so I'm assuming this is going to be confirmed soon. Now, what box it's going to be in and what month it's coming, I don't know, but of course, usually whenever they start revealing products like this, they come within the next couple of months. So, of course, I'm going to let you guys know whenever they do confirm it. So, guys, let me know what you think about these products down in the comments section. Are you excited to see these coming? And, of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. I'm going to keep you in the loop. And, as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now, let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Thank you so much, Amanda Dodge. Amanda says, ugh, so close, but not close enough. Keep up the great work with the updates. Thanks, Mandy. Well, Amanda, honey, you are more than welcome. If I didn't have this to do, I'd go nuts, be pulling out my hair, climbing the walls, and I don't even want to think about what I'd be doing if I didn't do these videos. But Amanda, I really appreciate you coming by and watching the video, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you gotta leave that comment if you want to shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any? Yep, they do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me, if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm gonna need y'all to rate the video, but you're only gonna have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. There's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. That's it. That's all I got for you, and I love y'all so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.